My name is Cormac Diamond. I'm the Managing Director of Block Blinds. We're a company based in Magherafelt. We employ approximately 100 people and we produce window blinds for domestic and commercial applications. We took part in trade missions broadly across the European market, from the Czech Republic and Check It Out. We also had opportunities in Poland, the Nordics, the Baltics. Trade missions were part of a collective, so you went with a group of companies. So in that there was a camaraderie built within the local companies, so you could actually talk about your opportunities, maybe share opportunities as well with maybe not competing companies, but they're operating within the same market. And it meant then that there was a nice culture of each wanting to do well, but wanting to support each other in that journey as well, whatever way you could. Whenever in the trade mission aspect, that you had comfort that there were companies, both seasoned exporters and novice exporters, all coming together, and again that with that you weren't under pressure, I suppose, to think that you didn't know or someone was much better than you. There's a range of capabilities of export, and that was the beauty of it, that you were able to share those opportunities and those strengths and weaknesses in exporting, how to export, and exploring opportunities and what to look for. And every trade mission presented a new piece of information that we embraced and then implemented to the following on exporting opportunities that we were exploring as a business. Trade missions, they are there to qualify, so the benefits can be that you didn't incur cost further exploring a market. So, and that's the beauty of exporting and this advisory service. It'll qualify either you should go into a market or you shouldn't, and it'll help you prioritize where your market opportunities are. So in some instances, yes, we had success from trade missions, particularly in the Polish market and some of the Nordics as well. But in some instances, it meant that we were ruling out a market, or we weren't just right for a market yet. And that's part of exporting as well, that in those exploratory options before committing to real cost and trying to develop export markets, that you're ruling them in or ruling them out, which is an also important fact of this exporting journey. The trade mission aspect for us as an exporter was an excellent service, because again it was there to dilute the risk. It was as part of a group effort. You were learning, and it was a nice one as well, to introduce new staff members into the world of exporting, because they weren't exploring markets on their own or trying to learn it themselves. They were coming part of a bigger group and getting solace from that there was a range of skill levels, and they could also cut their teeth in exporting. So it was a nice soft launch for new staff as well.